Oh, it's like extremely bright. I can't see anything. I should have worn my sunglasses, but that's okay. I'm excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Puppies are here, all 7. These are Walker Coonhound Bully mixes.
Oh, your stuff. Hi, babies. Hello.
Little babies.
Oh, look at you. Hi, puppy.
They were anxious to get out when I first put them in, but not so much now.
Little complainers.
Here they come.
There they are.
Maybe not.
Oh, they're a lot bigger than I
Oh
thought.
my goodness. Oh,
Oh, babies.
oh, look at the puppy. We're gonna have to go to the car 2 at a time or something.
Honestly, there's nothing better. We got 7 healthy puppies. The sun is out. It's a great day to be filming. I'm so excited to be back. You guys have no idea how much I miss this. We got a boy. Alright guys, so we're at the Foster's house. We're gonna get them settled in. Hi puppies. Oh. Ooh. Well guys, that's it for this one that we did. All 7 puppies are in their foster and now they're just waiting to be adopted to their forever home. Thanks again for watching. Bye.